If players could code their own storylines, gaming would become a highly personalized experience. Instead of following a developer's script, players could craft unique narratives, shaping the game world to their preferences. This could lead to infinite replayability, as every player's choices would result in a different experience. Would every game become a sandbox? Games with open-ended storytelling would thrive in this model. RPGs like The Elder Scrolls and Fallout could allow players to write their own quests, dialogue, and character interactions. Even linear games could include player-driven modifications, making each playthrough feel fresh and unpredictable. Would AI help players code stories? Not everyone knows how to code, but AI could bridge that gap. AI-powered story generators could assist players in writing dialogue, creating branching narratives, and setting up world events. This would make custom storytelling accessible to casual gamers, not just experienced developers. How would multiplayer games change? Multiplayer games could feature user-generated campaigns, where one player acts as a game master, creating quests, challenges, and lore for others. Imagine a World of Warcraft raid where the storyline is completely player-created, making every session different from the last. Would this replace traditional game development? While players coding their own storylines would expand creativity, professional developers would still be needed for core mechanics, world-building, and graphical design. Instead of replacing traditional gaming, this feature would enhance it, similar to how modding communities currently operate. Would there be quality control issues? Allowing player-created stories means quality could vary significantly. Some stories might be well-written and immersive, while others could be shallow or buggy. Game platforms might need moderation tools, similar to how Steam handles community-created content. Would monetization change? Developers might allow players to sell their custom storylines as downloadable content. A marketplace for player-made campaigns could emerge, where high-quality creators earn money for their work. This would make storytelling in games more community-driven and financially rewarding. How would it impact game longevity? Games with user-generated content tend to last longer. Titles like Minecraft and Skyrim have remained popular for years due to modding communities. If all games allowed custom storylines, their lifespans could extend indefinitely, keeping players engaged for much longer. Would games become more collaborative? Players could collaborate on massive storytelling projects, building expansive narratives together. Imagine an MMO where entire cities and civilizations evolve based on player-driven story arcs. This would turn gaming into a living, evolving medium rather than a static experience. A future of infinite stories. With players able to code their own storylines, gaming would become an ever-expanding universe of possibilities. Instead of waiting for new releases, gamers could continuously create and explore fresh content, blurring the line between developers and players.